Hello, everyone. Welcome back to The Overworld. Today, we're diving deep into the profound wisdom of Stoicism to help you master your mind and navigate life's challenges with resilience. So, grab a comfortable seat and let's explore the 7 Stoic lessons that can transform the way you think and live. 1. Acceptance of what you can't control. Waves crashing against rocks, symbolizing the uncontrollable forces of nature. The first Stoic lesson is all about accepting what is beyond your control. The Stoics believed that true power lies in our ability to accept the inevitable. By acknowledging and embracing the uncontrollable aspects of life, we free ourselves from unnecessary suffering. 2. Focus on what you can control. Hands holding a small plant, representing the things we can nurture and control. Building on the first lesson, Stoicism encourages us to direct our energy towards what we can control. Whether it's our thoughts, actions, or reactions, cultivating a proactive mindset empowers us to shape our own destiny. 3. The power of perception. A glass of water, emphasizing the classic Stoic idea that it's not the events themselves, but our perceptions that shape our reality. Stoicism teaches us that events are neutral, it's our perception that gives them meaning. By mastering our perceptions, we can transform challenges into opportunities for growth and self-discovery. 4. Embrace change and impermanence. Time lapse of a blooming flower, symbolizing the ever-changing nature of life. Stoicism emphasizes the inevitability of change and impermanence. By embracing the transient nature of all things, we become better equipped to navigate life's fluctuations with grace and tranquility. 5. Practice gratitude. Scenes of everyday life, family, and friends, highlighting the simple joys that we often overlook. Gratitude is a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy. By appreciating the present moment and expressing gratitude for the people and experiences in our lives, we cultivate a positive mindset that contributes to our overall well-being. 6. Face challenges with courage. A mountain climber reaching the summit, symbolizing overcoming challenges. Stoicism teaches us to confront challenges with courage and resilience. Rather than avoiding difficulties, facing them head-on allows us to develop strength and character, ultimately leading to personal growth. 7. Memento mori. Remember your mortality. Clock ticking, hourglass, or a skull, representing the transient nature of life. The final Stoic lesson is a powerful reminder of our mortality. By acknowledging the impermanence of life, we are motivated to live authentically and make the most of each moment. A serene landscape with a quote about Stoicism. And there you have it, 7 Stoic lessons to help you master your mind and lead a more fulfilling life. Incorporate these Stoic secrets into your daily routine, and you'll discover a newfound sense of peace and resilience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more wisdom-packed content. Until next time, stay stoic and stay mindful. A serene landscape, symbolizing the importance of being present. The first Stoic lesson is about embracing the present moment. Stoicism teaches us to accept and appreciate our current circumstances, recognizing that true contentment comes from living in the now. Hands holding a stone, letting go of what can't be controlled. Building on the first lesson, Stoicism encourages us to differentiate between what's within our control and what isn't. By focusing our energy on the aspects we can influence, we gain a sense of empowerment and peace. Yin and Yang symbol, representing the Stoic concept of the dichotomy of control. Stoicism emphasizes the dichotomy of control, teaching us to distinguish between external events and our internal reactions. Mastering this concept allows us to maintain inner tranquility despite external circumstances. A roadblock turning into a stepping stone. Stoics view obstacles as opportunities for growth. By shifting our perspective, we can transform challenges into valuable lessons, fostering personal development and resilience. Images of kindness, integrity, and compassion. Stoicism places a strong emphasis on virtue. By cultivating qualities such as wisdom, courage, justice, and compassion in our actions, we align ourselves with a life of purpose and fulfillment. Meditation scenes, highlighting the importance of mindfulness. Mindfulness is a key Stoic practice. By staying present and aware, we can better understand our thoughts and emotions, allowing us to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. Visualizing a loss or setback, emphasizing the Stoic practice of negative visualization. Stoicism encourages us to imagine the worst-case scenarios to appreciate what we have. This practice, known as negative visualization, helps us develop gratitude,